Here is how to claim airdrops on Arbitrum step by step. First, make sure you have a wallet like MetaMask set up and connected to the Arbitrum One network. If you are not on Arbitrum yet, go to chainlist.org, search for Arbitrum One and add it to MetaMask. Next, go to the official airdrop claim site. These are usually shared by projects Twitter or Discord. Be careful of fake links, always double check the URL. Once on the site, click Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask. After connecting, the site will automatically check if you're eligible based on your wallet activity. If you qualify, you'll see a claim button. Click it, then approve the transaction in MetaMask. You may need to pay a small gas fee in Ethereum or Arbitrum, so make sure you have some in your wallet. After confirmation, your airdrop tokens will appear in your wallet. You can track them on Arbiscan.io or inside your MetaMask. And that's how you claim airdrops on Arbitrum. Fast, low fee, and worth checking regularly if you're active in DeFi. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.